What's up, guys? This is Tampatec, and this is
Devin.
He was in my eBay repair challenges in my videos. What was it, last year? I think it was last year. Yeah.
Around August, yeah, I think.
Yeah, it was. I think it was September, October time. But anyway, he's the one who was knocking everything off the wall, and I was picking up after him in the video.
I helped
You helped pick up the stuff after you knocked it down.
a little bit.
Anyway, so he's been begging for a gaming desk for a really long time. This is his old desk that he had for over a year. It was, I think I got this at Walmart for around 30 bucks. It's a foldable desk, or foldable table. It's not even a desk. And it's really wobbly and it slides around. But it worked for him for about over a year.
Yeah.
How do you like it? What do you like about it? What you don't like about it?
What I don't like about it is like everything. I don't like anything about it.
All right, we're doing away with this, and now we're upgrading to this. Thanks to Van Space who sent me this. We're gonna set this up and we're gonna demonstrate it for you guys. This is the RGB LED Gaming Desk, and this is all-in-one desk. You can have your keyboard, your mouse, even your monitor mounts to it. You can have even your headphones mounted on the side. It has a headphone holder, really cool. And it has a cup holder too, I believe. But we're gonna open it up and set it up. I'm gonna give you my 10-year-old knife. Be careful not to cut yourself with this knife.
That's a multi-tool wrench.
Actually, you can't even cut butter with this knife. It's really used and dull. But when using a knife, you always aim it down. So if you trip and fall, you stab your foot, which is least lethal, because if you trip and fall and it's facing up,
It'll stab you in the face, go through your head, and then it's a headshot kill.
you want to aim it always down. And when you cut any straps or cut any tape, you always cut away.
At other people. So if someone's on that side, you cut away at them.
Tell them to back away. Alright, so I'm going to lift this part up, and then you pull the box.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
No. Pull the box. I'm pulling the straps.
Okay.
No, don't pull it down. Go. Come on. Pull it down. Pull the bottom of it.
I'm trying.
Pull. Grab it and pull. Alright, just pull. Pull right there. You'll cut away from you. See, you can't cut straps. It's too dull. That's what I was saying. It's too dull to cut straps.
Hey, you cut at me and never said move away.
Move away. Whoa! Cool! Look at that!
The entire desk looks like a mouse pad.
Look at that mouse pad. Show the mouse pad. That is an awesome mouse pad.
It has to be at like maybe a foot, maybe 2 feet long.
powered by USB. Oh, sick!
Oh, that's nice.
Hit the button again, change the colors.
Green, purple,
Match.
cyan, and yellow. And to turn it off, I think you hold it.
Can you match it with your Alienware?
Yeah, I can change my Alienware settings to make this red.
It's a nice big cup holder. It's a video.
Oh,
Silly.
So Devin, how do you like your new setup?
awesome. I got my new keyboard and mouse in today. Everything is LED, wireless, everything. Nothing has to be plugged into my PC except the adapter for my mouse and my PC, which is the same adapter, which is really cool. Both of these things only require one adapter to plug in, and then they both work. This came with a phone holder, but my phone case is too thick, so it just leans forward.
Yeah, you need to take the case off if you're going to use that. What I like about the keyboard is it's rechargeable and it has different modes, LED modes. And then you have the battery bank right here, so you can charge your phone and power your LEDs on your desk. Or you can charge your keyboard and mouse if you need to. The keyboard and mouse comes together in a box and it has one USB adapter. Every time you tap on the knob, it changes the colors, and when you twist the knob, it adjusts the brightness. Once you get to the color cycle mode, you can twist the knob and adjust the flow of the colors. It's really cool. And it takes a micro USB cable to charge the wireless keyboard and mouse. And the batteries last for hours.
You could have 3 monitors on this desk, one right here and 2 right here. It's unnecessary.
I would do an ultra wide monitor mounted, just have a clamp mount on the desk, which is sturdy enough because it does have a steel frame.
For Twitch streamers, this is a great desk. You get one monitor right here, one right here, and then you have double monitor all on your one desk.
We had it plugged in for an hour and it didn't use up any juice really. This is fully charged still. So each dot you see right here is 25%. So once it gets down to 75% battery life, you'll see one dot disappear. So Devin, what do you think about this gaming desk?
I think this gaming desk is awesome. You should definitely buy this for your kids, son or daughter. No matter what, this will turn them into a gamer. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share whoever would like this. See you guys next time.